Double toast.
Double toast, exactly. That is the proper
Chef.
culinary term.
On this episode of In the Kitchen, we're celebrating sandwiches, and I'm joined by Chef Andrew Lim from Perilla.
Today we're going to be making a bulgogi sandwich. Our version is a little play on a grilled cheese, sweet and savory bulgogi, grilled onions, and of course toasty buttery bread.
Double toasted bread.
Double toasted bread.
Chef, how do we get started with this bulgogi sandwich?
It's a fairly simple sandwich as long as you have your bulgogi ready to go. First, we're going to start toasting the bread. We'll start with a few knobs of butter.
Is that salted or unsalted, or does it matter?
This is unsalted, but we're going to season the bread.
I've been asking all of our sandwich chefs about the unsalted, salted butter.
Never been called a sandwich chef, but
Well,
that's awesome.
I mean the chefs that are making our sandwich
Oh, I
videos.
love it. So this is going to take a little bit of time. You just want to get some really good color.
And what kind of bread do we want to use?
I traditionally use just regular white bread. So we're starting to see a little bit of color here. So we'll turn it a couple times. You definitely don't want it to sog out. Just a little bit of salt. You can add as much or as little butter as you want.
I like butter.
I'm gonna go with it as much. We're gonna get this just to about this point on both sides.
Lightly toasted?
Lightly toasted, because once the bulgogi is cooked and we start to build the sandwich, we're gonna do it one last time.
Okay, great.
On both sides.
Double toast.
Double toast, exactly. That is the proper
Chef.
culinary term. So I'm gonna lay this on the cutting board.
Okay, so now we're adding canola oil.
Yeah, so we're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil. You can add whatever oil you want.
And we're cooking bulgogi. Did the bulgogi come marinated or did you marinate it?
So I marinated it at the restaurant, but you can purchase bulgogi marinated pretty much at any Korean supermarket. To build the actual marinade, it's just if you have a food processor or like a blender, and all you do is add your vegetables, which are like onions and garlic, ginger. I like to add apples and Korean pear, soy sauce, obviously. So once this is nice and hot,
This is gonna make a huge sandwich.
this is just one order so far.
Can you tell us about this sandwich? Is this something you grew up with?
This is something my mom used to make for us for lunch. She would pack it up with a little bit of kimchi,
Oh, yum.
and then all the kids would make fun of us.
Aw, come on.
My mom is, I guess, the inspiration. Like my brother and I, we both cook, so. And then she hates it, but we blame her, so. We're gonna let this kind of reduce a little bit. Let the flavor soak in there.
It smells so good.
And then you don't need to finish cooking it all the way before you add your onions. Plain white onions.
Do you want to keep them thin?
Not so like paper thin, but nice and thin so they cook down pretty quickly. This process isn't going to be too long. You also want to make sure to retain a little bit of texture with the onions.
Yep,
So
okay.
we're probably going to start seeing some color, which is what we want. So this is pretty much where we want it. You could definitely take it further, get a little bit more burnt on the bulgogi if you want. We're pretty much where we want to be. Pick either side. I like to take the lighter side and rub the mayo.
Do you have a favorite sandwich in Chicago besides your own sandwiches?
I do, and it happens to be this place called Portillo's.
Portillo's?
I'm not even
Never
kidding.
heard of it.
Yes.
What do you get there? The hot dog?
Oh, I get too much. I get way too much. I get a hot dog, Chicago style. I get a cheeseburger. Sometimes with bacon. if I'm in the
Ooh.
mood. Yeah. Chopped salad. And then they have this pasta there too. Cheese fries, of course.
This is the best order ever.
I'm telling you.
That looks amazing. Classic American cheese.
Classic.
Kraft singles.
Yes. Nothing melts as good, you know? All right. So that's kind of what we're looking for.
Oh my gosh.
Your bread is toasted, your meat is nice and warm, your onions are nice and warm. And we're just waiting for that cheese to get a little
Melty.
Yeah, a little melty.
The cheese looks perfect.
There we go.
Tasting time. The whole reason why I do this show.
So I like to, the only reason.
Yeah. Oh, it sounds so toasty and good. Look at the cheese. This looks so good.
Sounds good.
Oh my God. It's just so savory and delicious. You impressed yourself.
Just like mama make it.
It's sweet, it's savory, it's salty. The double toast.
Necessary.
I'm only gonna double
Game
toast from
changer.
now on.